Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making a Cheeseburger Mac. So the first thing that we're going to do, we've got our pot of boiling salted water. We're going to add a little bit of garlic powder to our water to flavor it. It's already been salted. Now we're also going to add in ketchup. Now we can drop in our macaroni and cook according to the package instructions. Alright, so while that's cooking, we can add our burger to the skillet. I'm going to put just a drizzle of oil. You want to brown, we're using turkey. Let's season this up. Alright, so our turkey is cooked all the way through. I just added just a splash of our cooking liquid for our pasta to this because it has the tomato paste or ketchup in it. That'll flavor our turkey just a little bit. So now we're going to go drain our pasta. And we're going to add our noodles back to the pan. Got the heat turned down. Going to add our cheese, let it melt. So once you get that started to mix in and it starts to melt for you, then you can add it in to your pan with your meat. Fold all of this together. And as soon as your cheese melts, you're ready to hit the plate and serve. So we'll show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes.